Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent video calls from people on X, Twitter, on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open X on your PC and navigate to the Messages tab to access your messaging settings. Next, locate the Settings cog icon in the top right corner of the screen and click on it to open the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, you will find the option to manage audio and video call permissions. Here, uncheck the boxes under Allow audio and video calls from, based on your preferences. By customizing these settings, you can effectively prevent video calls from specific individuals on X, Twitter, on your PC, giving you control over your communication preferences on the platform. Thank you for watching. We trust that this tutorial has been helpful in illustrating how to manage video call permissions on X, Twitter, on your PC. Adjust your settings to suit your preferences and enjoy a more personalized communication experience on the platform.